Are you ready to unlock the ultimate strategy to consistently find those big winning trades? The magic formula is called top-down analysis. You start with a bird's eye view from the higher time frames to mark at important levels and the direction you want to trade in. And then you zoom in on the lower time frame for that sniper precision entry. Today in this video, I will guide you through this approach using my very own trading system, the RLZ method. And believe me when I say this technique I'm about to show you is going to be a real game changer in your trading journey. So let's dive right in. Welcome back everyone. My name is Jonathan Andin and I'm a professional crypto and forex trader, and I'm also the co-founder of RLZ Trading. Here we help you simplify your path to greatness, one trade at a time. To our returning subscribers, you're the best and thank you for all your support. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn how to trade with a clear and simple approach, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the video. Oh, and by the way, if there's anything you're struggling with in your trading journey, or if you have questions about this video or any other videos on my channel, please leave a comment. I would be more than happy to create a video for you and help you out. Now let's dive into the actual video. We are starting with a zoomed out look here on the weekly time frame, and you can see that I have added two levels here. One level right here labeled as weekly level, and then a horizontal level down here as well. Now the direction of this overall trend, as you can see, is obviously bearish, but so the weekly isn't really giving us a lot other than the two levels that we have marked out. What really makes this chart interesting is how it looks on the daily. So when we go to the daily, you will see that right here you have something interesting happening. You have this downtrend, very clear downtrend, and I'm looking also on this local trend right here on the daily, where we actually had a higher low right here and another higher low. What happened after these two higher lows is we broke above this level right here, and as soon as price started breaking above this level right here is when I started getting interested, because if you look at the 4-hour, you zoom in even more, you see that this downtrend right here, that was also a downtrend on the daily, is a very clear bullish break in the market structure on the 4-hour. Now, what do I mean with bullish break in market structure? It's very simple. A downtrend is lower lows and lower highs, and when there's a bullish break in market structure is you're breaking that relationship. You're creating higher highs and higher lows. This right here is a bullish break in market structure, and what happened here on the 4-hour is we are printing higher low, higher high, and that's the breakout. When this breakout right here occurred, that's a signal that we potentially have a high time frame move, or at least a move up to that weekly level. And it looks like the local time frames, the daily trend and the 4-hour trend is giving us signs of a major bullish break in market structure that might push price up to that weekly level that we find on the weekly chart. So if you go down to the 4-hour, you see that price is obviously breaking out here, and on this candle right here you had a 4-hour candle opening and closing above the level. This would confirm the breakout in my opinion. And then we go even down further into the 1-hour. What happens here on the 1-hour is very interesting, because this is actually a break and retest of the breakout level. So here you have a strong move breaking the level to the upside, and here you have a rounded retest of the area around the breakout level. And this, in my opinion, is obviously very interesting. That 1-hour candle closed as a bullish engulfing candle. There's a lot of momentum coming into this move. What I did in this particular situation is I put on the RLZ slingshot indicator and I went into the 15-minute time frame. Basically what the indicator does is it gives us the monthly and weekly open levels, and I love the fact that this bounce happened right around the monthly and weekly open. It also adds the 20 EMA in the 4-hour and the 50 EMA in the 4-hour, and we also have the stochastics RSI nicely down here. So what sparked my interest in this trade is the fact that the 15-minute trade is very bullish. This bounce right here happened on the 4-hour 420 EMA with stochastics agreeing with that as well. So basically what I did was I just market entered when I saw that momentum coming in, and I had my stops below the weekly and monthly open, and the target is going to be that weekly level. So now what we've done is we started by looking at the weekly. We marked out levels on the weekly. We looked for a level on the daily, which is this one right here. So when we had that break above the daily level, which is also a weekly level, we looked at the 4-hour to see if there's a break of structure on the 4-hour, and obviously the break of structure is very clear on the 4-hour, and I'm expecting this trend to move something like this. I'm expecting a new trend to form here, and I want that trend to look something like this, and I want price to perhaps move something like this. So that's kind of like this. This is the move that I'm looking to take profits on. So that's on the 4-hour where we have a possible break of structure, and then we went into the 1-hour and we saw a break and retest on the 1-hour, and then finally down on the 15-minute where we added the indicator, got the long signal, and the trend was very much alive here on the 15-minute. Now the target is the same on a swing trade and a scalp trade because we're looking at the weekly level as our target right here. But the important thing here is we're looking for the high time frames where we mark at the levels as targets, but we're looking at the lower time frames to get that sniper position entry. Now, it was very possible to get an even better entry here. I mean, we could have entered on perhaps that candle, or just as soon as you broke that level right here, this would be an 8-hour trade. But I saw it a little bit later, but I'm definitely happy with a 5-hour trade on this one. All right, that's it, guys. That was just a quick example of an open trade where I utilized the top-down analysis and combined it with the RLZ method to pinpoint those sniper entries. If you enjoy short educational videos like this one, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And I would love to hear your thoughts on these videos, so please drop a comment below. And if you do have any questions, or if you're facing any challenges in your trading journey, if there's anything you basically want assistance with, please leave a comment and I would be more than happy to help you out. See you guys in the next video.